A gastronomical journey back in time takes us to the 7th century Southeast Asia, the birthplace of sushi. A method of preserving fish in fermented rice, sushi has evolved over the centuries into the artfully presented, deliciously diverse dish we know today. It was the Edo period in Japan, around the early 19th century, when sushi closely resembling the modern version first appeared. The sushi roll, or maki, is one of the most iconic forms of this culinary craft. Imagine a bamboo rolling mat, a sheet of glossy nori, a handful of perfectly seasoned sushi rice, and an array of fresh, vibrant fillings. The process of making sushi rolls is a delicate dance of precision and creativity, a testament to the Japanese philosophy of simplicity and balance. Begin by laying out a bamboo sushi mat and placing a sheet of nori on top. Spread a thin layer of sushi rice onto the nori, leaving about 1 inch at the top free of rice. Remember, the key to good sushi rice lies in the seasoning, a delicate balance of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt mixed into warm, freshly cooked short-grain rice. Next, arrange the fillings in a line along the bottom third of the rice. Perhaps it's the rich, velvety texture of fresh salmon, the sweet crunch of cucumber, or the creamy indulgence of avocado. Maybe it's the familiar comfort of a crab stick. The choice is yours, and the possibilities are endless. Then, it's time for the roll. Hold the near edge of the mat, lift it over the fillings, and roll it away from you, applying light pressure to keep the roll tight. Once the mat reaches the other side, squeeze gently along the length of the roll to firm it up. Unroll the mat, and there it is. A beautiful sushi roll ready to be sliced into bite-sized pieces. To summarize, the magic of making sushi rolls lies in 5 key steps: preparing the sushi rice, laying out the nori on a bamboo mat, spreading the rice, arranging the fillings, and finally, rolling it all up into a neat, delicious package. Serve these bite-sized wonders with a side of soy sauce for dipping, a dab of wasabi for heat, and slices of pickled ginger as a palate cleanser. Each piece is a symphony of flavors and textures, a testament to the art of sushi making. So whether you're a seasoned sushi enthusiast or a curious newcomer, creating your own sushi rolls can be a delightful culinary adventure. It's a chance to engage with a centuries-old tradition, to explore a world of flavors, and to create something beautiful and delicious in your own kitchen. Happy sushi rolling!